Alrighty, in this video, it's going to be, this is a Briggs & Stratton motor that, or head that came off of probably a 18 horsepower or close to it motor. I think the Intech. Anyways, this is an old video that I'm redoing because of copyright issues, but this is a video where I'm doing a decarbon. All of these motors, even Caterpillar, well, I'm sorry, not Caterpillar, but they don't recommend a decarbon, but the small engines, Kawasaki's, Briggs & Stratton, Kohlers, all recommend a decarbon or valve lapping. This will make the motor run very good, almost brand new, a whole lot cooler if you're having issues that you just can't solve with a simple carburetor swap. Chances are you've got some issues with carbon buildup. These motors, generally speaking, have a plastic, what do they call it? Plastic, not crank, plastic camshaft, and I think just, there's just going to be, they just don't have the spring tension to be able to, keep all the carbon out, so it builds up over time. So right there, I'm just using an old-fashioned suction cup, but after this I started using a piece of tubing, kind of like a vacuum tube or gas line, and a drill, and just put it on the end of the valve stem, and use it with drill, and that works a whole lot quicker. But I'm using 3 different grits that I got off of eBay, or maybe I'm using 6. I think 6 different grits or 4 different grits. Cleanliness is a must when you're doing this. You don't want to get any of the grit and the valve stem. The kits for these Briggs & Strattons are about $10 on eBay, including the head gasket, the valve seals, valve stem seals, and other gaskets that you're going to need for this process. So takes a little bit of time, but if you want to keep using your 1980 mower with over 600 hours or over 500 hours on it, you'll probably need to do this. But you do this and you'll be able to get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 hours out of it. So if you see that your exhaust pipe is starting to heat up and get red from the heat, it's a good indication that that you're going to need to do this process. This motor had gotten water in. I think the exhaust or the intake, I can't remember which one, but anyways, so it was just a needed process to do to make sure that it was going to run and run good for a while. And we're putting it all back together. Again, these springs are so easy to push down. You don't need a spring pusher. If you have the two half valve keepers, they're easy to get in there. And so, yeah, there it is, all back together.